Keywords Explorer, which is really, really cool. If we go back and we choose a keyword, so for example, we'll choose, washing machine repairs Brisbane. We'll jump into the Keywords Explorer. And if we throw this one in there, it's going to give us a bunch of insights around this keyword. So it's saying search volume 700. It gets 584 clicks on average, 26% of which are paid, 74% of which are organic. It shows you cost per click, a bunch of useful metrics, and then it shows a parent topic, right? So washing machine repairs Brisbane is a fairly localized keyword. You've got the parent topic of washing machine repairs, which has a volume of 6,600, and you can see a bunch of stuff in here. So that has the same term as washing repairs Brisbane. So washing repairs Brisbane North Side, washing repairs Brisbane North, South Side, etc. Then it also says these websites that are ranking for washing machine repairs Brisbane, they're also ranking for washing machine repairs, meal washing machine, and a bunch of other useful keywords. And then it gives you a bunch of suggestions. So if we jump over to phrase match, these are those keywords that I was talking about, where it will show you different variations of the same keyword, and you can export this all again and sort it by volume, see which ones you could focus on. You can check the having same terms. You can check the also rank for. This one's the really good one. So you can get a bunch of really cool insights around what sort of keywords other websites are ranking for. So it might be that you never even thought that, oven repairs would be a useful keyword that people want to see. Whether you do oven repairs, that would be decided. But yeah, so you can jump into also rank for, which shows you a bunch of keywords that the website also ranks for, and get some really good ideas about potential keywords or keyword clusters that you can focus. So, Fisher Paykel washing machine has 1600 volume. You might not think that it would have that much volume and that it wouldn't be worth focusing on, right? So now you can see that actually it might be worth creating a page or creating a section of content just around this specific keyword, explaining it, and then being able to rank higher for these two keywords. There's a lot of stuff that you can find through that. Pretty much how we do our keyword research is we do a mix of running it through Ahrefs and then finding these sort of keywords. We're just using one keyword here. You can use 100 keywords, you can use 1,000 keywords, you can use 10 keywords, whatever set of keywords you have, you can plug in here and then have a look through these tabs, see if you can find some extra keywords that you haven't ever thought about, and you can see all the metrics of how much volume they're getting, the competition, that kind of stuff. So this is a really useful tool and I'd highly recommend it. Yep, so this has been Ahrefs. There's a ton of stuff that I haven't covered in here. Probably do some additional videos on more specifics. So we pretty much covered the homepage and what sort of content you can expect to see here. We've covered the referring domains, we've covered the anchor text, organic keywords, top pages, and best by links. So there's a bunch of other tabs in here that are very valuable, and there's a lot of competitor research, keyword research, all that kind of stuff that you can do, which we'll cover in a later video. Thanks for watching. I hope this was valuable. If you have any questions about Ahrefs or any questions about SEO related questions, whether it be keywords, you want us to run a sort of report on your website, get in touch. We're happy to help. Thanks. That's all for this part of the Ahrefs walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check back soon for the next part.